Hey, do you want to earn $100 per day by watching videos? Yeah, this is the get paid to watch videos method that I'm going to explain in this video. You just have to stay with me till the end to this video and stay and do whatever I ask you to do, and you can get more than $100. It's not like 100, you can earn even $500 with this method, but just you have to stick to the plan. But before I show you the method, welcome to my Money Horn. Hi, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so let's jump back into action. We are going to reveal the method by which you can earn more than $100 per day just by watching videos. Yeah, this is the easiest way you can earn money online right now, but I am going to show you the site that going to pay you for this, and it's you may already heard it or not, but the site I'm going to show you is gg2u.org. This is the site gg2u.org. This is the site that going to give you money for watching videos, but this is not the only thing you can do in this website. You can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and many more things that they're going to provide you, and you can earn money with this. So this is a good website to start getting paid. If you go over to this website, and you can read their frequently asked questions and many more things to learn how they work, how this site work, how they're going to get you money for do whatever they want you to do. So you can just do anything. Survey work is a little bit difficult, but you can do that because this pays the most. But as for today's videos, we are going to just watching videos. But all you can do, you can see that they are saying that they are paying huge, is a 65% to 85% for every survey you take on gg2u.org. And they have a statement that if you can verify that the other survey sites similar to this one are going to pay you not that much, it's just 40 to 60% you will do this for the same survey, you will get paid that amount. So this is a really awesome site to if you are interested into surveys. But that's okay if you do not have a time to work, and because survey takes times. But watching videos, it's very easy and fast to get paid. But it's not that much. But the more time you spend on watching videos, the more money you will get. And at the end of the day, in total, it will be a good amount for you. They support PayPal, Bitcoin, and e-gift cards. So what's the sign up process? Is the simple. You just put your name here, email, username, password, and select your country. You can see that almost all the countries are listed here that people can do work in this site. Just select your country and tick mark the privacy policy and hit sign up. When you hit sign up, it will show something like this. It's welcoming you to gg2u, and it's explaining the credit system for the site. So you can also take advantage of gaming offers and video offers and many more offers that they're going to provide you. But no matter what offer you complete, they're going to give you some coins. They are saying that $1 for every 100 coins. So every 100 coins you're going to get paid $1, and once you reach the $7 mark, and you can ask for payout through your PayPal account or Coinbase Bitcoin email address or e-gift cards, any way you want, and you are just good to go with that. When you click on continue, this page will show up, and it's the one-time offer page that is just going to get you head start with the earning process, so that you can reach your first payment really fast. So they are showing you some apps that you can install right away into your smartphone, so that you can start earning money right away. These apps, you just need to install it and keep it for something like 2 to 4 weeks, and you are going to get paid 550 coins for this app, 400 coins, 450 coins, 150 coins, 300 coins, 300 coins, and 100 coins. In total, it's more than $20 worth of apps that just you have to install it, and you will get it for free to head start. And you know it, you can ask for payment when you reach $7. So it's good to head start with this. It's a one-time offer. Some of these offers are only available for a limited time, so try to do them as soon as possible. They're saying that. So if you're interested, you can go over to these apps and install those, but it's okay if you're not doing that. So when you click on I'm done with this page, it will show the dashboard of your GG2 account, and you can see there has a bar here that going to fill up. When you reach $7, it will fill up and it will tell you to get payment for your work. So this, the home page is showing all the offer. You can see that all the top paying, top tier offers are listed here, from OfferToro, AdGate Media, Peanuts Lab, AdGem, Revenue Universe, Wanna Ads, AdSense Media. All the, you can see all the top tier survey companies are listed here that have thousands of offers to complete and earn money with this. So as for example, if I click on AdSense Media here, this page, AdSense Media offer page, will show up like this, and it's saying that you can get surveys, you can do app installs, you can just watch videos here, you can just take some free trials offers, and all for those all activities, hundreds and thousands of points you can earn by just completing simple sign-ups, app installs, and video watching. And those offer was going to pay you to GG to you, to your account, and you're going to get paid for that. So for this video purpose, as we are watching only videos here, so we are interested into videos, so just click on videos. But before that, if you're watching, if you're enjoying this video, just go down below, press the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can always stay with my videos. So let's jump back into action. We click on videos. So when you click on videos, it will show something like this, the autoplay video page. This has a different bar. Unlike this bar is your payment bar, but on the video sections, this bar is for video watching bar. It will fill up when you get video points, and as you remember, 100 points equals to $1. But for this page, for video page, it's a little bit different. For every 200 video points you earn, you will receive a silver token which will add $1 to $3 to your account balance. So this is a really cool way. It's just not $1. When you just reach 200 points, you can get up to $3. So this is really cool. So per video points, you will get around more than 1 cent. So it's like more than 1 point. So every video is more than 1 point. And if I tell you that if you just scroll down, you can see all the videos that you can start. Just click on this orange button and the video will start playing, and you will earn money and you will earn points for that. So this is really easy. You can see hundreds of videos here. You can just click load more and it will show more and more videos. You can just watch and earn points for that. When you click any video, it will show something like this. So if you just click on this, if you just watch this video, you will get 1 to 5 points, and more video you watch, it will give you more higher paying, higher point value videos to you so that you can earn even more money for that. Just make sure you just go over to this page, watch the videos, and I recommend to watch it on various devices you have so that your earning potential will increase. And I recommend when you go to the settings, when you're watching a videos, you just click on this settings icon and you just select the lower resolutions video for this, so that when you watch multiple videos on your multiple device like tablet, smartphone and PC, it will consume a lots of internet bandwidth from you. So it's better to select lower resolutions in every devices so that it consumes much lower bandwidth from your internet. So this is it, guys. You watch it on all devices to increase your earning. So not only just you are getting 1 to 5 points, you can just multiple it by triple it, double or triple it just by using multiple devices. So this is the cool way that you can follow and increase your earning very fast. And these videos are just 1 to 3 minutes long. So what is the catch? You just can earn more money in a short period of time. And believe me, you just don't need to stay on this video for all day. You can autoplay it. The video will going to next video will going to play and you will start getting paid for that. And for on and on, you can watch multiple unlimited videos every day to get money. Hence that is why I am talking about making $100, even $500 per day just by watching videos. All you have to do is just watch it all day to all those devices and you can surely get more than $100 per day without any problem. And these are all autoplay videos. So this is the way you can start getting paid from GG2U, and GG2U going to pay you to your PayPal account or your Bitcoin account when you reach $7 into your main dashboard account. So this is the way you just watch video and be active, then money will follow you definitely. So this is the way you can start getting money if you are a beginner and just want an easy way to start earning money right now. So if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, subscribe, press the subscribe button and the notification bell. And till then, stay well and thanks for watching.